As an iPhone user, your iPhone might expose you to people around you without you knowing, even without internet connection, just because you turn on certain settings. Someone else might likely send some information to your phone, such as video, photo, and some important documents, which is why you need to turn on these settings right away. I'm not here to scare you, but I'm here to tell the truth that you have to be watchful of how you operate your iPhone, thereby enable and disable some settings. Go to settings button on your iPhone and tap on it. From here, scroll up and tap on general. Then scroll up until you get to airdrop, tap on it. The settings we are taking a look at is everyone for 10 minutes. Now, it is not a crime to enable your airdrops, but with someone having an iPhone around you, without or with your understanding, such fellow might send information to your phone without your permission. So what if you are in an environment that is open to everybody, maybe a restaurant, a cafe, an office, and someone sent information to your device and you are impersonated? So always check out for the settings and make sure that the settings is always turned off. Make sure that the airdrop on your device is turned off or contact only. If it is on off or contact only, it means someone that you know, that you have their contact on your device, will be able to send information to your phone or to your device using the airdrop. If eventually this button is on terminate, your device is likely to be compromised by third-party apps or devices around you without your permission. So always enable the receive of or contact only on your device. So if you have not turned on this setting on your device, go ahead and do that right away. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this with others. See you soon, guys, on our next video.